it's brand new today. Rebecca, you look so beautiful in these crossover hoop earrings. This is something that looks like a traditional hoop earring until you get close and you see that little swoop of the gorgeous sterling silver, whether it is the silver or the 14 karat gold clad sterling silver. And it's that cross. And then you see the Diamonique stones there looping down to add that sparkle. Should be $53 today, $43.98, my pick of the show. And as I mentioned, you shop for silver or you shop yellow. Either way, you get a gorgeous look, really kind of an everyday look, but also really special.
Yeah. This is not the hoop that you see coming and going. So if you like jewelry that kind of sets you apart from the crowd, this is a great way to go. And the crossover here is interesting because it is essentially a full Diamonique hoop. Like, let's see, you can see it well on this one here. So the stones start in the front, wrap their way around into the back. So that's a true inside outside hoop, right?
Love that.
But the high polish one that crosses over, that actually is just in the front. Sorry guys, turn it a little bit.
Yes.
I'm going to turn to the other one so you can see where it ends. There, that's a good shot. So you can see,
yes,
it actually is just enough to give you that illusion of a crossover because it actually ends right there.
Oh, that's beautiful. So that means you have a little bit less weight to this, a little bit less cumbersome to deal with. It just gives you that gorgeous look, but then you also get the beautiful payoff of the inside Diamonique stones, because where would that have to go, right? It would have to go to cover the stones. So you don't want those stones covered. And how beautiful that you get all the payoff of the beautiful Diamonique stones because they're now on the inside of the hoop.
Right. So if you're going to see part of the earring as you're wearing it, we want to make sure it looks pretty. So we're going to adorn the inside and the outside. Again, this is another extra step. It's done in the diamond world when you splurge. And then we want to make sure that you feel like you splurge when you choose Diamonique, so you're going to get those extra special touches. It's a really wearable length, I would say, too.
Yeah, I think it is, too. I'm going to grab the ruler just so you can take a look.
Great.
But this is going to be, let me see, it's just under, it's 4/5 of an inch and 1/5 in the width. So you're going to see here, I'll hold up my ruler on this side for you, so you can take a look and see. So I'll just go from the 1, so you can see it's just under a full inch there. So really beautiful, just a little over the 3/4 of an inch. So exactly as you're saying, Erin, really wearable. It's not going to be catching. It's really going to give you everything that you need in a understated, but at the same time, really artistic and unique earring.
And a crossover design, we'll see it again and again in designer jewelry.
Okay.
So it is something that, it's something about layering together. We like the idea of mixed media too. So 2 different types of materials coming together and they set each other off. So the Diamonique stones deliver the sparkle, and then the precious metal delivers that reflection, that gleam, that light, and that mirror finish. So when you put the 2 side by side, it's a perfect match.
Yes.
Right? Because you can appreciate each one for what they both do.
And this is, it's clad. So the 14 karat gold clad, it's, when we talk kind of levels, right? Clad means that it's not just dipped once, right?
Right. It'll be a little bit more of a thicker, if you will, plating versus plating, rather. So that's a good point. Diamonique is always done in precious metals. If you shop look-alike, you know, cubic zirconia or crystals elsewhere, they're not always precious metals at their core, and that's why they sometimes are irritating.
See. Okay.
So sterling silver, then in this case you're looking at the yellow, which is true yellow gold clad over that sterling silver. Permanent process, doesn't change its color, doesn't lose its color, and that means everything touching your skin is going to be the 14 karat yellow gold.
And that yellow gold is the most limited, so we have only 500 to go around. And this is new today.
Right.
So that means we didn't have a ton to bring in, and also it's been very popular already. $43.98, $14 and change on an easy payment. That's on any major credit card to bring this home. You know, these earrings, you're going to have 10, 20, 30 years down the line and still be wearing these for your everyday, just going to the office, or it's your Valentine's dinner and you want to go and really make an effort.
Yeah, it's an easy one to dress up, but also incorporate into your everyday wardrobe. And those are the pieces that bring the most value when you can wear them multiple ways, when you kind of don't have to think about it or overthink it. Like you don't have to plan an outfit around these earrings.
True.
And that is a time saver when you can count on them and just grab them and go in those mornings where we all have them. You're rushing out the door, you just can't seem to catch up, and you don't have time to make one more decision.
Right.
Diamonique is a really good time saver in that point because it's in a sparkly neutral.
Yes. Oh, I love that.
Right? It matches everything.
Yes.
So if you took so much time to plan the perfect outfit and you're like, oh shoot, I forgot to pick my jewelry.
Right.
Just go to Diamonique.
Yeah.
Because it always works.
Also really wonderful for travel. I love
Yes.
bringing Diamonique. I had a beautiful pair of just Diamonique studs, and I took them traveling, and I happened to lose them. And I was very sad that I lost them because they were Diamonique, but I didn't lose diamond earrings that I
Right.
had paid thousands of dollars
Right.
on, and I was able to immediately go to QVC.com and replace the Diamonique studs that I had misplaced because the price point is so phenomenal.
Right.
And it's not something that I have to plan and really save up for and spend a huge portion of my savings to be able to bring home.
And it's not to say you can't wear your Diamonique with those
Yes,
diamonds
please
that you
do.
save for. Diamonique matches, gosh, with everything. But side by side, you can wear them with your mine diamonds, your lab-grown diamonds. Honestly, it takes a trained professional and a jeweler's loupe with that intense magnification to look inside the stones to tell the difference. If I put the identical pair of hoop earrings next to these done in diamonds, and I told you pick the Diamonique ones, you'd probably just say like eeny, meeny, miny, mo,
Right.
because they would look identical to them. That's the whole
Wow.
idea. It's a stand-in. So we want you to just have that look you love for a whole lot less,
Yeah.
which means you can get a whole lot more for your money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or take your money and go on vacation.
Yes, that's another thing. Like if you're celebrating a big special milestone,
Yeah.
and sometimes it's like, okay, do I want like to mark the moment with a piece of jewelry or do I want to take a trip? You can buy the Diamonique and
do
still
both.
take the trip.
Yes, and you have all of that beautiful look without the price tag because you are getting not only the 4 C's, you're getting 6 C's of Diamonique, one of those being that lifetime warranty where if something happens, you are able to replace those. You either choose silver or the yellow, which is your 14 karat gold clad sterling silver, and it's 84 points as far as the carat weight here goes in your Diamonique stones. Let's talk
Very
about those
believable.
6 C's. Very believable, absolutely.
So like I said, to tell the difference, if it was a diamond, we would use a jeweler's loupe to examine the C's of diamonds. In the clarity, in a diamond, you would look for inclusions because
Okay.
that's natural to a diamond. In a Diamonique stone, there aren't any, it's flawless. In the color version of a diamond, you would look for its grade. Does it have any yellow in the body color of the stone? In the Diamonique version, it's colorless. We cut these, just like diamonds, 58 facets, hand set them for you in the precious metal. We give you that diamond look you love in whatever carat weight you choose at a cost you love even more. And then you touched again on that great confidence factor of the lifetime warranty on the stones. If you looked down one day and one of these stones was missing, you'd be sad, but we understand that life happens. So QVC's customer care team helps you with a repair or replacement on those Diamonique stones.
That's amazing. And
Yeah,
that's
it
for the
is.
lifetime
Yes, of the piece.
of the piece. Amazing option, wonderful gift, $43.98 for something that could become your everyday earring, that everyday sparkle that, as Erin said, it goes with everything. You don't have to even think. Beautifully unique in that crossover hoop. Just choose silver.